Daksh.
Hi, hello everyone. Happy evening.
Happy evening. 1, 2, 3, rush.
My name is Daksh. I'm from class 7B. I study neorism public schools. So my topic for today is I want to change my behavior. I want to be good in life. So I'm frank that I tell a lot of bad words. I'm bad. I'm naughty. I hit everyone. I'm rude to people. So I'm like then I sat and thought, should I improve, or like then I thought this that like if I stop telling my friends bad words and other things, that I'll have way more friends and my other friends will start liking me. And then if I start talking good to my parents, like good, not rudely, like if they're asking good, and because they tell good for us. And then so then I stopped. I want to share one instance in my school that when I was talking, my friend came and hit me by mistake. So I got scared that he will send me bad words. So then I told him bad words. He didn't say anything. Then I got so scared that then the next day I went. Then I told sorry to him. He didn't say sorry. Then he ignored me. Then after some days he fought with someone. He told that I'm really sorry. Then I told okay, what happened? Then I mean I told him sorry, I told you bad words that day. So this is what happened, and then I thought to change my behavior. This is why I changed my behavior. Thank you.
When he's around, okay, he is part of everything. I'm sure घर भी छोटा पड़ता होगा आपका. Kitchen, hall, he's everywhere. I think one of the amazing, trump cards, I usually call trump cards, okay. In this batch, I have quite a few, okay. Wonderful, wonderful. And let me tell you, आपको दाद देनी होगी कि accept करना कि मेरे में ये कमी है, I want to change. I think that is beautiful. और by the way, हम इनको नहीं सिखाते ये सब. हम retrospection करवाते हैं इनसे कि just look into yourself, where you need to correct yourself. And I think अगर भाई साहब ने बोला है, okay, he is one person who will keep his words. That is very important for me. Wonderful. That's super. Yeah.